family.
With you?
Me say family.
Let me tell you about the whole interrupting thing.
Why more than
Can I talk? Can I talk?
Why more than
Can I talk?
Me never lick a girl again. Not even my little sister. No.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell 'em. I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell 'em. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
Intro time. Hi guys, welcome back.
Day up on the ends.
Guys, let's do
Yo,
my
hear me
intro.
I say,
You
yo, we
don't
not
know.
no, we're not there for that.
Listen,
no
this-
guys, yo.
Alright, let me
Hear
do my
say,
intro.
no, let me ask
Let me
you,
do my intro.
no comment down below.
Skylife
for
TV,
this
can do
name.
my intro please?
Comment down below. We don't really like that
They
youth.
crap me up. Like,
Yeah,
And
only-
hey guys, I'm gonna say my
we
original
can't
intro.
This is
Can't
them all
Let me
day,
tell
every
let me
day.
tell you about the whole interrupting
This
thing.
is them all day,
We're not
every
interrupting
day.
the talk, so don't interrupt me.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Them
so
argue, like
the
me
people-
always the mediator.
YouTube people,
them
Skylifers,
always argue, they not
the
agree
whole
on
YouTube
nothing
greeting,
at
but
all.
hi guys, you know, annoying. Be honest, don't comment down below.
Listen,
Be
that's
honest.
not my intro, my nigga. My
Why you
intro
be racist
is
now?
you don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I want them.
What a DEM.
Now you have Jeremy Skylife and Ocean Skylife in the building.
Yo.
No, it's not on a bench with the
Now, you know, say go hard for me hold up my hand so long. We have to go take turns. We are gonna do the how we met tag. Normally people do this in relationships, but we have such a good friendship, so we are gonna do that and track back how we met and our progress over the years and stuff.
Are you not going to interrupt?
No, any other things not go your way, just look here. All right.
No, me, I get ignorant.
So let me just start off. Oh, me think remember say we
Why
meet.
you have to talk so loud, though?
So we met about 2013, 2014.
January 24, 2013.
2013, yeah. I remember that I came to school late.
And it was at 6:12 p.m. to be exact.
Yeah, I came to school. I came to school late. Apparently, we were supposed to be in groups, and you know, for some reason, we start going in a group with them people here, and then we decided to say, we just gonna stay in a group for the entire college, and stuff like that. And this him extra friendly. The entire I'm a cross. I best I'm not see no and stuff. So so I think that's how we meet. I came in class and then I was added to you guys group, and then we just decided that we are gonna stay in groups for the entire college.
Okay. Alright.
And that you remember?
When Ocean go now? You go for us.
Alright, people. I'm just going to say what I remember. I don't have an exact date like Jeremy. Can't hold it.
I'm hold it.
Yeah, hold it because the light in here.
Put your hand in nice something.
Yeah, so this is what I remember. We
No, the girl.
oh,
Continue.
so we got enrolled
Sorry for the angle, guys.
in Comsey, Montego Bay, right?
See, that's why I'm not holding to the
Yeah.
right. So.
And we were in this
What
the
kind of
first
name?
time I met Jeremy, I remember it was IT class. I don't remember meeting him before, but that wasn't the first class I had. But I met him in IT class. He came and he sat, before that, I think we were supposed to go in groups of 5 or something like that, 5 or 6. And he came and sat beside me, and he was very flirty.
As usual.
Yeah, as usual. Very, very flirty.
So one person
And-
is friendly and one person is flirty.
Friendly slash flirty,
decide.
same thing.
Yeah, so
You decide.
you know him come and him start flirt and stuff, and
With you?
yes, him start flirt and stuff. I joke, he was very friendly. Him come and him start talk and hi, my name is Jeremy, blah blah blah, whatever. And me and him start talk, and yeah, he was really cool at the time and whatnot.
At the time, so I'm not cool
Yeah,
no
no,
more. Yeah,
no, I'm
continue.
just saying
Yeah.
the first time we met, he was really cool, and you know, first impression
take him.
last. My spirit did really take him and everything. Then we went in our groups. I didn't know Melica at that time because I think it was about 4 of us. And as she stated, she came to school late, so it was after that she came in our group. And since then we have been friends. Yeah, there is another person that is a part of our group, but she's not here with us now.
You
Yeah.
say she dead.
No, she's not dead. I'm saying she's not here with us. No, I didn't say she's no longer with us. She's not dead, but she's still in Jamaica. We see her from time to time and stuff,
She a
but
pussy,
you know,
oh.
Behave your journey from the vlog.
no, she end up leaving the school
to go to a different
school. So that's when we kind of
break away a little bit.
right? But she still keep the link. We still keep the link. Here, she was at my wedding. She come and she support me.
Yeah, we never
and
get an
stuff like
invitation
that.
to the wedding.
That's
There's
a
your
lie.
signature up on the
That's a
paper.
lie.
Check out the wedding vlog,
He-
guys. It's on the channel.
He didn't want to come, basically. Yeah, because he never really approved of my wedding. But I guess he alright.
No,
I joke, people. I joke. I joke.
Yo,
But yeah,
I'm glad we do this.
My turn. School days was really good. One thing I can say about him, he's
Very hard worker.
very hardworking, and I remember I used to be in Kingston because I was working back and forth in Kingston and Moby, and sometimes I miss school. And Jeremy would always make sure say me get my homework or me get the notes or something like that, or he would do the work for me or whatever it is. Sometimes he do the work for me.
True,
Yes. So he was really nice. And if me
Say it.
down or anything like that, he's always there. One thing with Melica and Jeremy, me can say them if me wrong, they might tell me point blank, say me wrong. They now sweet up nothing, give me a girl and come on, and that me really appreciate about them.
Yeah,
My
but you
really
still
good
getting
friends.
her
Me not tell
feelings.
no lie.
A1
You see that one here? He very moody. Me remember one time we in a class, right? And wait, and him take up my paper, right? The time I would think my friendship done, you know, because him take up my paper, and then he have this issue, like he have this issue.
Emotional.
Even though I'm very emotional. Me really don't remember what happened, but he went upset, and I think we did a practice for an exam, right? And him take my paper and they use it. Now we're ready for go home. Dude have my paper. Me I say, yo, I want my paper. He must say, he not have my paper. He have this thing when we do something and then he might tell lie and then he make it sound like a true or whatever. And then you have to rethink yourself like, I say, really?
Yo,
But yeah, he have that thing there. He very persuasive. He have that thing there about it. So he take up my paper and tell me, you know, say, oh, you not have my paper. Me and him end up start cussing at the classroom or whatnot.
Jeremy lick me.
Yes, and he start getting
I
mad and all these things.
never remember so what we did.
Like, make people them see me. Like, say, you don't know where me come from. You know,
Bad people place.
I'm sure me look so small, you know.
I think we need to change the angle.
You can say something
I have to
real
know
quick.
the place.
That's
The
the
lie.
thing is-
Go top, but go offer me lick.
That's a
Like,
lie.
Hold up the camera.
No. That's a
You
lie.
say never when go
Rick
top.
is a one
No,
up
me never
camera.
talk. No, me done. Me
Wait, no,
don't
me
want to hear
finish telling
no.
people them.
No.
You see what me
You
I
know,
talk
so me
about
never
people?
lick a girl
Watch
again.
this.
Not even my little sister always she
Jeremy, just try and
annoying.
put the camera here. So.
Me don't want to stand up.
People.
You say stay.
Yeah, me I
You
say.
light it in a back.
People,
Look
me
good.
don't know if I joking when I try joke or whatever.
No,
but we take
you're
it
lying.
serious.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Right.
Melica, what you say?
You have to remember.
Zane, she was
So
being.
why mother they
Can I
say
talk?
lick me German
Can I
lick me?
talk?
Why mother they say
Can
that?
I talk?
Why
Say
mother they say
lecturer
that?
in a class.
Why
No.
no, at least
In the
not
class?
everybody was there.
No, but I want you to notice this is
My
what we go
memory
through
now so
every day,
good.
right? The
Alright,
two of
let me
them,
finish
the
that.
two of them talk, and me can't get no input.
No,
It's
everybody,
always a truth.
everybody do
So me talk about?
everybody
Shutting
do
up
for
now.
them part. Let me do my part.
Make
right.
Ocean do her
So
part
that
and
happens.
That not,
Wait,
this
you
not
go
even
get
dropping for all we meet each other. But
Yeah,
no, continue.
yeah,
No.
You go get video
After
part and
I
tell
remember
me your
what you have to
version.
say.
I need to tell my version and you tell your
No,
version,
me
and
give a
then
comment on
we
this.
tell the truth. Come. And as they say, 3 sides to a story.
Melica,
So
Yes.
hush. So yeah, people.
Yes, Ocean angle good.
So that happened, and me and him end up in a heated argument. And I left school vexed, him left school vexed. And honestly to God, I never planned to talk back to him. I not tell him no lie.
God, you could have never stopped chat to me. Oh, you know what me see?
That's the thing.
Would I come and poke at you and say, yo, you're not talking to me?
Stop. Are you come round and make me start talk to you? But me really never.
This how, yo, make sure you say, there's so many holes to her story. Talk about, oh, I mean, come on and talk to her. Make sure you one thing with
Jeremy, what you
let me
just said to
okay,
people?
as soon as
What
we
you just
start,
said- No, what you just say? You
Hold
say
on.
if with
one
you,
thing
you
with
said
them,
you
see if we have no
did
agree.
say- you said
We and
you
her,
said-
she
You
called me
got
the
my finger
same
here?
night. The same night.
Me call you. Not telling people them that. Come, wait. Let me tell you something, people. Let me tell you something with me. Me have my time when I'm friendly, but if me and somebody have an argument or me and somebody in a something, me not gonna be the first one. Me know how feel. Me know.
No, look how she hold my wrist. hold the camera. Are you hold? Here's the camera.
Exactly, because I me did have it before.
Okay.
Anyways, what I say people is that me know if you keep malice. Me know if you keep
I'm
malice.
listening.
So me never plan to talk back to Jeremy. Never. So I don't know why I'm going to tell him about me calling me tonight. I don't recall.
I will apologize. Are you Jeremy?
Jeremy, but he did have to apologize. I him do the wrong. I don't apologize. I him do the wrong. Me never do nothing wrong to Jeremy. All I did was ask for my paper.
I do not apologize, but at the end of the day, me now I keep malice. We just gotta get over it and move forward. That's it. Well, yeah, really, I do this in a public, yo.
He did have to apologize because me never did go talk about you. But anyways, we moved past that. That was a couple years ago.
One thing.
And he never ever tried that again.
Me not like say sorry. Me not like apologize. Yeah, it happened. We gotta deal with it and we gotta move forward.
So was that the story how we met, Jeremy?
No. Well,
me tell me part how we met.
Yeah.
How we met.
Cool. So
but me just kind of.
Can I talk now?
Me kind of give people them one history how far we have come from. And you see, me talk some good things. People me say some good things. One dog come.
Yeah, but you have to hear the bad things.
No.
No.
Walk over there, so walk over.
Chill, relax.
Thank you. I don't care. I don't like dog. See dog the people? Trust they go bite me. Anyways.
Can I speak now?
No, I said the good things them and them not say nothing, you know. But as soon as I said I catch up in an argument, I'm ready to jump on my throat. But anyways, that is how we met. And he's
that's definitely your first now.
Jeremy.
Why?
He's really nice. He's really nice. You can call him any time of night and talk to him about my problems and
give good advice.
Yes, he gives.
Sometimes he gives
real good advice, and he's always there, no matter what. No matter what.
Oh, I missed this.
Jeremy cuss me off most of the time. I say with this and with that.
Yo, I'm going to make sure the two
but no matter what.
Enough time they call me and I say, yo, them are going to left them, man. And I say, no, they can't. Yo, honest to
Melika
God.
cut out that part, because we don't know. We don't know how we reach.
Honest to God. Me make sure your man know and your man know. Make sure.
That's a Jeremy stay in this
no, big man thing. No.
So if you mash up the thing.
People not going to say you're in just one talk crap. Anyways. We go hand over the flag to Jeremy and you talk about how we met. Talk your part.
See, alright, you are going.
Let me hold it.
Yeah, you hold it.
Melika, we can't see.
Kind of.
I think kind of funny too.
When you're ready.
Come,
You're not funny, yo.
No, wait. Pause. He's hilarious.
Yo, your man says, oh me, yeah. So, remember say, yo, we start school 1 week, and she used to just come in the class and eat up in that corner and chat to nobody.
Yeah, me very antisocial. No, me used to.
Well, can I?
If one in a group,
you see me talk and them interrupt me.
Make Jeremy talk.
Yeah, this is how we go through all the way, right? Like she would have come and she stood in that corner, see, and they have this I wanna know. Wait, when she come in, she muggle in her ears and you're clunk. Here, clunk, step cross, good evening. And step and go sit down beside she. Zin. And then they get cool first because I think then they have one account project.
No, I mean I leave that. That's how I leave it. I leave it when get close.
Yeah, but and then maybe in a group with this girl and I say the girl lazy.
I think who that again?
I remember her name.
The girl when it stop school.
But she grieved me like.
The one when it stop school? The big woman when it stop school?
Come here, you see how me talk, I'm passionate about the stuff that I do. See, them put me and her in a group. And imagine you have somebody in a group and then just go Google something and then just copy the whole screen from Google, put it in our email and send it to her and say, so you can't make out of this.
Remember when she sent the email?
I big woman that?
I say, yo, I'm grieve. So
I think you need to school.
So I decide to do the paper.
I was just flashing us.
No. Anyway, so I decide to do the paper myself. See, I get 85 for the paper. But the woman, she mark we don't say, yo, not enough teamwork. I'm grieved to that point that you want to do no more team, no group work with nobody. And then I go in a group with Olivia. And then them two, you know, they used to sit down in one corner. And I say, yo, if we're in a one space, why is sense you're in a one space with people and you don't talk to them? So me go around and me talk to people and me try to get everybody involved. One thing I tell you about females, they're very catty. See? Then we cool with them one another, but then we cuss them one another in silence. and that's true. But me never hear them two cuss one another. But me hear them cuss no phone. No.
For real?
No phone me hear them cuss.
For real?
But yeah,
As
so
in
we
me and
meet.
Melica?
Anyway, moving on. How we meet, like
Like what people? Yes, enough of
Again.
like people.
not females. Like
No,
What
as
is
in,
me?
yeah, say, is it that you're just making a statement or you say you hear them cuss we from the class, so things
no,
go.
me hear
in
uno
school.
cuss people.
Oh, from
Oh,
school.
okay.
Yeah, then just brush it off like nothing. Anyway.
You see that again? You see flash again?
Don't worry yourself.
I must see
we're
live,
not-
maybe
we're
I
not
live.
coming here. But another time so. But yeah, them seem cool.